A number of years ago, I founded my own foundation called the Food Family Farming Foundation. And the reason I started the foundation is school districts all over the country would call me up and say, how can we do this? How can we do that? Advocates, parents, everyone wanted to know how to start changing school food. And I couldn't be everywhere, although I do speak a lot around the country. But so what I decided to do was start the foundation. And the first and premier and our best project, actually, I think, is the lunchbox.org. It's a website where all the information you need to segue schools from highly processed to scratch-cooked food. We have videos, we have financial modeling tools, we have explodable recipes, we have resources, salad bar information, it's all there. So that's the lunchbox.org, and that's one of our projects. Another project is Let's Move Salad Bars to Schools. And we do Let's Move Salad Bars to School with Michelle Obama's Let's Move campaign. And you can find that at saladbars2schools.org. And what we do is donate salad bars all over the country. We've raised millions of dollars. We've given away thousands of salad bars. And we're really trying to put a salad bar in every single school across the country. And the third project we've worked on is Healthy Breakfast for Kids. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. We try hard to get breakfast into underserved schools all across the country, and this is breakfast after the bell. This means that school's already in session, so kids are sitting down, and it's universal breakfast, and it's not dependent upon whether their kids get there on time, whether the buses are late, but so every kid in school gets healthy breakfast. So those are the three, the lunchbox.org, Salad Bars to Schools, and Healthy Breakfast for Kids.